In this video, I'm showing with BitLocker how we can encrypt or lock our PC external and internal drives. BitLocker is a built-in feature in Windows 7 Ultimate Enterprise, Windows Vista, and Windows 8 and 10 Pro and Enterprise version. We can proceed to lock the drive with two ways. First is this PC, and then suppose we want to lock this F drive. Within F drive, we are having two folders. To lock it, right click on it and then turn on BitLocker. So it started. Now keep this window in mind and we are proceeding this window with the second way. And that is by control panel. So I have control panel on my desktop. Suppose you are not having, then control panel, write control panel in Windows search. So control panel is visible. Double click it, then system and security, and then come to BitLocker drive encryption. Click it, and then we are having all the drives, internal, C, D, E, and F. But we are not seeing the external drives because DVD is not put in the DVD drive. If it is there, then it will be showing, and we can encrypt that. And for another drive external, that is USB, but USB is not in the port, so that's why that is not visible. If the external drives are visible, then those can also be encrypted. Now we want to lock this F drive. So BitLocker is here. Now turn on BitLocker. And again the same window is appeared. So check use a password to lock the drive and choose a password of minimum 8 characters and re-enter password and then next. Now password, I remember it, but suppose sometime I forget that password. So we should keep a recovery key of that password. So for that we can keep the recovery key with Microsoft account or in USB flash drive, or we can save that to a file lying in some drive in my computer. Also, we can print the recovery key. In case we are saving that recovery key with Microsoft account, in that case, how that can be traced when we are in need of that. In that case, we can access that recovery key with onedrive.live.com/recovery. If we put that in my computer, in my browser, and click enter. So our recovery key with Microsoft account will be showing over here, and we will copy it. And that recovery key can also be used instead of our password that I will be showing. Close it. And now suppose we are using this option. So where we are keeping that recovery key in some file. Suppose we are keeping that on this desktop, but I will not recommend it. But for experimental base, for showing to you, I will keeping this in desktop. So okay, save it. And then next. In the coming window, we are having two options to be checked. First is encrypt use disk space only, and second one encrypt entire drive. So first is encrypt use disk space. I will choose the second one, and then next. So I want to encrypt the whole drive, F, and then next, and then we will start encrypting. It will take a lot of time, maybe depending on the speed of your computer. So I will pause this process till the completion of encrypting, and then I will show it to you that the drive is encrypted. Now encryption of the F drive by BitLocker is complete, and we have closed the window of BitLocker, and now we see the drive, and the drive is locked. With this, I end the video. And if we, but before that, we go to control panel. System and security and BitLocker. And now we see BitLocker is on F drive. So F drive is secure. With this, I end the video. But before going, to remind you, subscribe this channel and click the bell icon, and also like this video. Thank you.